Welcome back to stateincometaxonline.com. Today we're going to be talking about California individual income taxes, and I'm going to point out and cover some of the most important areas of taxes in your state and if you're required to file. So let's get the video started. So like other states, the state of California has their own set of income tax rules you have to follow when filing an individual income tax return. You can follow my cursor as I go through the slides here, and we're going to go to a couple sites throughout the video, so just follow along, and hopefully this helps you guys out. So you need to file a California income tax return if you meet any of the following. So if you fall in any of these categories, the total category, which I'm going to explain, then you have to file your state California tax return. So if you're going to file a single or head of household and have one or no dependents and you're under the age of 65 and your California adjusted gross income is between $11,310 and $21,110, then you have to file a state tax return in California. So filing single or head of household, one of those, one or no dependents, you're under the age of 65, your adjusted gross income, so this is the adjusted, not the total, $11,310 and $20,110, then you have to file. If you're married filing jointly with one dependent or no dependents and you're under the age of 65, your adjusted gross income is between $22,620 $32,420, then you have to file. If you're filing single or head of household and have more than two dependents, and you're under the age of 65, so this is more than two dependents, your adjusted gross income, if it's at least $31,288, then you're going to have to file. If you're filing jointly with two or more dependents, so we covered one or none, now two or more, you're under the age of 65, your adjusted gross income is at least $45,426, then you have to file. If you owe less than $10,000 for personal taxes, that's when you file your taxes. Say you owe $8,000. If you're less than $10,000, then the state normally will put you on a payment plan. So I want to take you guys to a couple different sites here. If you do file your taxes by paper, this is not doing it electronically, not doing it online, this is what your form is going to look like. This is the California Resident Income Tax Return form. Now, all the yellow boxes here are boxes you're going to have to fill out or answer. So you can see that this can get a little bit tricky. So this is why I recommend filing your taxes online, which you can do through our site, stateincometaxonline.com. Any of these links will take you to the software where you can file your taxes and fill in the information. If you want to learn more about your state, and you can file through this link as well. We're talking about California, so here's a link to California. You'll have a link here and up here. Okay. Now, if you're, say, a part-time resident in another state, we do cover all states, so you can prepare. If you have to prepare more than one state tax return, you can do that through this site. So, just wanted to point that out for you guys. All right. So I think that's it today for our California income tax return video. I hope it helped you guys out. Remember, you can always prepare your taxes at stateincometaxonline.com, and we hope you watch some of our other videos. Thank you.